Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add a quick filter to your Kanban board in Jira. So let's get started. First, log into your Jira account and navigate to the board you want to update. Now, once you are on the board, look for the three dots next to the board menu and then click on the project settings. Now on the left hand side menu, you will see the board option. Just drop down the arrow and here you will find several options. Click on custom filters and as you can see at the center of your screen, here you can create your new filter. So first give your filter a name. For example, I am giving test. Then you have to describe about your filter and then write your query here. Once you are happy with your query, just click on the create button and this will appear as a clickable option above your board and ready to help you instantly. And that's it. You have now added a quick filter to your board. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.